Discover Mobile versus Amex. Which app offers the best cashback on groceries? So here's a detailed and expanded comparison between Discover Mobile and Amex or American Express apps when it comes to cashback on groceries, taking into account the credit card programs, mobile application features, and user experience related to grocery spending. So first, let's talk about Discover mobile application plus Discover It cashback card. So Discover's flagship cashback card remains highly competitive due to its rotating 5% cashback categories, which often include grocery stores for 1 quarter each year. So 5% cashback up to $1,500 in purchases per quarter in select categories, including grocery stores, upon activation. All other purchases earn 1% unlimited cashback. New card members get cashback match. All cashback earned in the first year is doubled. Example, if you spend $1,200 on groceries in Q2, you will earn $60 cashback. And if you are in your first year, Discover will match it, giving you 120 total. So that would be double. When it comes to Discover mobile app feature, it has feature like the real-time cashback tracker. It shows how much you've earned and how close you are to reaching to $1,500 limit for the quarter. Category activation easily activate 5% categories directly in the app with one tap. Spending insights view detailed breakdowns of spending by categories such as groceries versus dining. Freeze and unfreeze card instantly. For security, you can freeze your card with one tap. Alert and notifications, set grocery spending limits, and get alert to stay on budget. Now, what are the advantages of Discover Mobile? Number one, high cashback rate on groceries when active. Number two, match cashback in year one can significantly boost returns. Number three, no annual fee, ideal for value seekers. And number four, user friendly mobile application with full cashback visibility and control. Talking about disadvantages, 5% category must be activated manually every quarter. $1,500 cap per quarter on 5% category. Excess spending earns just 1%. Limited time window for grocery cashback. Only 1 quarter per year. Exclude some retailers like Walmart, Target, and Clubhouse, unless specifically listed. Now let's move on to Amex mobile application plus Blue Cash Preferred card from American Express US version. If you're using Amex internationally in the Philippines or Canada, the benefits may vary. The US version of the Blue Cash Preferred card is one of the best for groceries. So, cashback program overview, 6% cashback at US supermarkets up to $6,000 per year in spending, then 1% thereafter. 3% on transit, streaming services, and gas stations, 1% on all other purchases, $0 intro annual fee for the first year, then $95 per year after. Example, if you spend $6,000 annually on groceries, you earn $360 cashback regardless of the quarter plus more if you stream or commute. For Amex mobile app features, customizable spending alerts, see how close you are to the $6,000 annual cap. Membership rewards tracker for points-based cards, digital 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 receipts, card controls, and dispute center for quicker problem resolution. Real-time purchase notifications and fraud alerts. Amex offers section lets you add bonus cashback deals from select grocery partners and local stores. Let's move on to advantages. 6% cashback at supermarkets year round, no activation needed. Higher annual cap like $6,000 plus, then discovers quarterly limit. Multiple reward categories, transit, gas, streaming, and best for consistent grocery shoppers throughout the year. And how about disadvantages? $95 annual fee after the first year. Cashback applies only to US supermarkets, excludes Walmart, Target, wholesale clubs. Requires good to excellent credit for approval. Not all Amex cards offer great grocery rewards. Must select the right one. Now let's move on to side-by-side grocery cashback. Okay, so side-by-side comparison grocery cashback. For feature, we have here Discover Mobile and Amex Mobile. Talking about grocery cashback rate, as you can see, there's this 5%, and for Amex Mobile, 6% year round. Activation required? Yes. Quarterly? This one, no. Cashback match 1 year or year one? Yes. And then this one, no. Annual fee? No. This one, $95 after 1 year. Supermarket restrictions excludes Walmart Target. Same exclusion. Cashback app tracking, real time tracking. Bonus categories, rotating only. This one, transit, streaming, and gas. And then this one is best for strategic seasonal shoppers, year round grocery spenders. So basically, in conclusion, which app wins for grocery cashback? Best for serious grocery shoppers, American Express. If you spend regularly on groceries and want consistent high cashback throughout the year without activating anything, American Express wins hands down. Best for strategic fee versus users discover if you don't mind timing your grocery shopping and want a no annual fee option with a generous cashback match in year one, Discover offers excellent seasonal value, especially for new users. So for final summary, best overall cashback, Amex. Why? 6% cashback year-round on groceries versus Discover's quarterly limit. Best for new card holders, Discover. Cashback match doubles first-year earnings. Best mobile app experience, Amex. More robust with detailed insight and extra perks. Best for low spenders, Discover. No annual fee, simple usage, seasonal rewards. And then best for high grocery spenders, American Express, higher cashback app, and consistent year long earning potential. So, final recommendation, go with American Express plus Blue Cash preferred if you want serious grocery cashback power, don't mind the $95 annual fee, and want long term value. Choose Discover It or Cashback if you are more on fee averse, just starting out, or plan to spend big during the bonus months. So I'd really hope that after watching this video, you will know which app offers the best cashback on groceries. So I hope this video helped you. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.